Creating a beautiful house involves careful planning, design, and execution. Here are key steps to consider. 1. Planning and budgeting. Define your budget. Identify your needs and preferences. Consider future needs, e.g., family growth, aging in place. 2. Choosing a location. Select a desirable location considering factors like neighborhood, school district, proximity to work, and amenities. 3. Designing the house. Hire an architect or a design-build firm. Design with functionality and aesthetics in mind. Incorporate natural light and ventilation. Choose a style that reflects your taste, e.g., modern, traditional, minimalist. 4. Selecting materials. Use high-quality, durable materials. Consider sustainable and eco-friendly options. Choose finishes that align with your aesthetic vision. 5. Hiring professionals. Hire a reputable contractor and subcontractors. Check references and past work. Ensure they are licensed and insured. 6. Permits and regulations. Obtain necessary building permits. Comply with local building codes and regulations. 7. Construction process. Follow a detailed construction timeline. Monitor the progress and quality of work. Communicate regularly with your contractor. 8. Interior and exterior finishes. Choose paint colors, flooring, cabinetry, and fixtures that enhance the design. Landscaping and outdoor spaces should complement the house. 9. Energy efficiency. Install energy-efficient windows and insulation. Consider solar panels or other renewable energy sources. Use energy-efficient appliances and lighting. 10. Safety and security. Install smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and security systems. Ensure the house is built to withstand local weather conditions. 11. Final touches. Add personal touches with decor and furniture. Conduct a thorough inspection before finalizing the construction. Proper planning and attention to detail will help you build a beautiful and functional house that meets your needs and preferences.